This Headless Professor video is about how to use Google Trends and geographical aggregates as a way of getting big data. Now, first of all, go to trends.google.com. Let's suppose you want to see if the search for Prozac is correlated with a geographical area's educational levels. So let's type in the term Prozac. And we will see over the last year the change in the volume of internet searches for the term Prozac. Now, one of the things you can do is you can scroll down and you can see how that search activity differed from one geographical region to another, specifically state by state. You could also do it nation by nation if you were wanting to look at other countries. Now, let's suppose you've already had information on the 50 different states concerning their general level of education, the highest to the lowest. So we want to download all this information about Prozac searches. Apparently the greatest amount of Prozac searching was in West Virginia, and the least amount of searching for Prozac was in Hawaii. So apparently this list of the 50 states also includes District of Columbia. So if I put the little cursor over the downward arrow, you see where it says CSV? Let's click on that, and a CSV file is created and downloaded. I'm going to click on that, and it will open in Excel. Okay, now I want to merge this file together with the data that I have on education levels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this file a little bit. I'm going to organize it by state name. Let's see, I would get rid of the first 3 rows. There we go. Now I'm going to sort alphabetically, and we have it sorted. Notice that this one has District of Columbia, but my other data do not. So I'm going to delete that entry. And now I should have 50 lines, and indeed I do, all alphabetically arranged. So I'm going to copy the search volume, and remember, where you see it says 100, that's going to be where the highest search volume was in West Virginia, and everything is going to be proportionate to that. And places of very low searches like Hawaii would be the lowest number on here, 33. Okay, I've highlighted that. I'm now going to look for the other file where I have educational levels, and I'm just going to paste in this new column. Now I have educational levels and Prozac search levels. I can insert a label, row, state, education, Prozac. Okay, and I'm going to save that. As Ed Levels and Prozac. And specifically, I can now take these data, upload them into a statistical program like JASP, and see if there is a correlation between a state's education level and how often people in that state search for Prozac.